Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Tried to break out to the upside above this 9,300 area and then dropping back down to close below it. Try to dip a little below this minor support shelf. This is not major, that this is minor, so you can keep an eye on this for the next day or so. So dipping below 92.02, so 9,200. So it's really 9,300 sellers, 9,200 buyers. And you see there's some prior support down here. So if you break down again below 9,200, especially on a closing basis, 9,150, then our major levels 9,073 and 9,028. And then to the upside, 9,300 to 93.06. So if you want to be conservative, you just wait for 93.06, and then we'll be targeting this little resistance area up here about 94.35, and then the same levels to the upside we can take a look at. So same levels to the upside, 95.57, 96.40. Switching over to Ethereum. Some similar price action. You see breaking up above our 241.71 level, so essentially 242, and up that just a hair based off this little ledge. It seems to fit just a little better, so that just makes it 242 exactly. So up above there, dropping back down. I bumped down this level earlier. It was here, so if you watch the video from yesterday, it was about 237.77. I bumped it down to this key level because it's matching the price action a little better now, and it's fine-tuning, and the most recent price action has the most significance. So below 237.62, especially on a closing basis, then we'll be watching for 234.44, minor at about 233, and then 231.25. If we can get above 242 on a closing basis, that would be, see how this one didn't close, why we always wait for the close, unless we're trading very, very short term. Then we'll start watching minor about 246.60, then major 248.27. Actually, I'm going to bump that up a little based off this, 248.77. And then the same levels to the upside. It's really breaking out or breaking down for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. There's nothing really to do. Now, with Ethereum, you do have a little separation of the rotation zone, but we're in this huge consolidation pattern. So it just has to get out of this. Otherwise, it's just short-term using these levels and, trading against them, but that's some short-term trading, and I can't put videos out that fast. By the way, if you like our videos, please subscribe. Please like them. Please share them. If share them on social media or something, you're free to do that. If you could also follow us on Path Trading Partners for our Twitter feed, and subscribe to get notifications, especially since we'll start doing more live streams. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.